What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Seance, man. You watching Seance TV, and I'm back with another video, man. But like always, before we get into it, make sure you hit the subscribe button, man, to join the grind gang. Also hit that post notification so you do not miss a video. Also go to shop.seancetv.com, grab yourself some merch, man, and also follow all of my other social medias, which will be down in the description below. Especially follow that TikTok, man. Hey, we got some videos on there. But anyway, today, man, as you can see from the thumbnail and the title, this video. So today, man, we are working on the Chrysler 300. Look at that thing, man. It is dusty, bro. A big cloud of dust. Big cloud of dust all over this car. So it's been sitting here since we basically got it, guys. And as y'all know, it is something wrong with it. I think it's a lifter and a cam. So I'm about to get ready to take this to the shop, man. I'm waiting on my boy Invested My Mike to pull up with his truck and trailer, and we finna load this up on the truck and take it to the shop, man. We're actually about to, man, get it fixed. I don't know if I'm gonna be keeping this thing or not. I know we was gonna Hellcat swap it, but all the prices that I'm seeing is basically more or about the same amount as just going out and buying one that's already done, already fixed up. So I don't think that I'm gonna go that route. I think I'll just end up buying one. But like I told y'all, man, I want to focus on the flip challenge, and that's turning $1,000 into $100,000. So with that being said, bro, I think I'm gonna sell this, and we'll do that sometime in the future. I don't even know. I probably won't even swap one. I'll probably just buy one already swapped, and we'll just make content with that and, you know, go crazy with it. But for now, we're about to take this one to the shop, get it fixed, and I don't know. I might keep it. I might just drive it. I don't know, but I really want to sell it. Either way it go, even if I keep it and I don't do the swap, which I'm probably not going to, I'm going to end up selling it at some point anyway. So I might just go ahead and sell it after it get fixed. I might drive it a little while, but I'm going to sell it for sure. I'm waiting on my boy Mike to pull up, and then we're going to load this up. I can't even start it because I didn't bring my dang jump box. I left my jump box at the house because I wasn't planning on even messing with this today. I was going to mess with it like this weekend, but I called up my guy. He said, bring it. Called Mike, told him I need him. He on his way right now. So we finna go ahead and get this on the road, and so we can make some money off of it, man. Hopefully. That's really, I'm just trying to make a little cash off of it and move on to the next flip. So yeah, I'll get back to y'all, man, once Mike pull up and we get this thing ready, loaded on the trailer. Look what I found, man. It was actually in my back seat the whole time. I didn't even look. I wasn't even paying nobody attention. So with that being said, we're about to go ahead and start it up and move it out of the garage and have it waiting on Big Mike to come. So let's do that. Yes, sir. First time being out, bro, in months. Literally, and you can tell. But this is actually a pretty nice car, too. That's the crazy part. Hold on. Yeah, that's the crazy part, bro. This is actually a pretty nice car. But like I said, man, we got to get it fixed and put it up, man. We just got to get it fixed, and we're going to figure out what we want to do from that point on. But the first step is to get it fixed, man. So that's what we're about to do. I actually really want to keep this car. This is exactly what I've been looking for, to be honest, besides the messed up engine. I wanted the panoramic, I wanted the leather, I wanted the big screen, wanted all that stuff. So I'm really gonna hate to see it go if I do end up selling it, which I probably am. But business is business, bro. And that's the thing about this car business, bro. You cannot fall in love with these cars. And time again, I have to keep telling myself that and keep learning that my dang self, to be honest, bro. Because it's so hard, especially when you're a car guy. It's so hard not to fall in love with these cars, bro. Especially something like this that you had a vision for. You know, I don't know. But we're going to see, man. We're about to wait on Mike. He should be pulling up in just a second. Finna load it up, so we'll get back. Yeah, there go Mike to the rescue. I hear it. Yes, sir. My boy. Yes, sir. So we're about to load this thing up, man. Let me see. It might even... Nah, it ain't gonna jump. I know it ain't. I know it ain't finna start up. Nah, it's all the way back there. But yeah, so we finna load it up real quick. I'ma say it been for like 65, 7 grand, something like that. I was gonna Hellcat swap this thing, but bro, it's just, I might as well buy one for those prices. That's already done instead of that headache, bro. Yup. That little V6 still got a little. Stop playing with them. Yes, sir. Yo, Mike to the rescue, saving all the turds. Man, the fucked up part is, I would want one or the other. It don't get. I thought that bitch was gonna be in the trunk or something. It ain't. So I gotta get one more. Just that silver one. The other two got them. This the only one that's like that. And them cool too. But I would, bro, I actually found some. I just ain't bought them. They expensive, bro. I didn't know they was that hot.
They came on a Chrysler 300.
Yeah, I didn't know that they was that popular.
Came on a certain model Chrysler 300. That's all good.
So, yo, we finna take him. I'm gonna send you your address. I'm gonna follow you. Yeah. It'll be clean like that too, wouldn't it? That thing will be crazy. A stick? That would be hard. I don't think I seen that yet. For real, I ain't seen it. But I ain't been looking either. You know, I ain't no stick person. I don't even know how to drive a stick. I bet. So, we about to get ready and take that to you. So, I said take that to you. Take it to the shop, man. About to go on and get this thing done. You feel me? We done made it, boys. Made it to the shop that fast. Yes, sir. Take her down easy, Mike. Oh, yeah, we good. Yeah, so the shop back here. So we finna head back there. He got a Jeep he said he wanted me to look at too. I might be interested in buying. Yes, sir, Big Mike. Then got the turd where it need to go. I'm gonna just pull it behind his Equinox till he pull up on me. Alright, so we finna just... I could have probably drove it. I just didn't want to take no chance on driving this thing and doing no more damage to this car. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I didn't want to take no chances on it. Me. Cut the jump box back off too. Alright, matter of fact, I can cut it off. Yeah. Leave it like that for a minute. Now, he told me he got a, he breaking stuff down right here. He breaking something down right here. He renovating his shop, so he working outside. He told me he went to go get a part. Shoot. So I think this the Jeep right here he was telling me about. He been working on this thing too. He be working on cars though. My boy be getting it in. He said it's dirty as heck. He sure right. It's dirty. So said it was dirty. And that it is. But yeah. I don't know about the Jeep. I'm scared of him. He may blow up. I don't know. But I'm about to wait on him to come back. And then I'll get with you. Yeah, my boy done got me the wheel. Sure do. 150.
Either or. I mean, you can choose control.
The one I like better?
Yeah.
Bet. Hell yeah. I need that. I need that for sure. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get that from you. Cause I need a set that match. These ain't my favorite though. I guess people want to buy them. I don't really like them, but
They're nice.
I don't really. It's
They
cool.
cracky, though.
Yeah. Yeah, they diagnosing it. Yes, sir. My boy got the big boy computer in there. He making sure everything is, before he start working on it, making sure that's all it need or what all it needs. So you always wanna get this right, man. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, she sound bad. I ain't gonna lie. Damn, boy, she sound bad. But my boy said he gonna get it together. He said he gonna get it together. All right, man. So my boy said he gonna get me all the way back together. He said he don't know exactly everything that's wrong, so he gonna take it apart and figure all that out. But I don't know, bro. If it's put back together and it's right, man, I don't know. I might want to keep it, bro. What y'all think, man? What y'all think I should do? Do y'all think I should go ahead and just sell it and focus on the $100,000 challenge? Or do y'all think I need to go ahead and do what I said I was going to do and Hellcat swap that thing? He actually said that he can Hellcat swap it. I just got to get all the stuff for it. And that's the hard part, bro. I got to find a donor car. So, I don't know. Bro. But what y'all think I should do, bro? Y'all leave a comment below and let me know if I should focus on the 100K challenge or Hellcat swap this thing and say forget all that. I'm torn right now, bro. I'm really just wanting him to put it back together, sell it, and make that money and move on. But I might feel different once I see it and he get it back running and everything back good. So I don't know, man. We gonna have to figure that out. And I was gonna buy that wheel from him, but as I rolled it over, the wheels are a little bit different. Mine have some more spokes on mine than the one he had, so that's back to nothing now. I'm match wheels. If you guys have one or know somebody that have one, y'all let me know, man. DM me on Instagram at Seance TV. And let me know, man, I am looking for one more because I don't like that match look. Even if I sell it or if I keep it, I still want to get the rim. So if it ain't too expensive, if it's too expensive, man, I ain't worried about it. But that is the end of this video, man. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, man, to join the grind gang. Hit that post notification so you do not miss no videos. And like I said earlier, go to shopseancetv.com, get yourself some grind gang merch, man. And follow me on my other social medias, my TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all that. Everything is Seance TV. So make sure you go do that, man. Till next time, I'm out. Peace.